Hello students, welcome back to the English session. Today let us start with the second unit of English Bal Bharti. Poem number 9, Time for Everything. First let us all recite the poem, then I will explain you line by line. So let us start. There's a time to run and a time to walk. There's a time for silence, a time for talk. There's a time for work and a time for play. There's a time for sleep at the close of day. There's a time for everything you do, for children and for grown-ups too. A time to stand up and a time to sit, but see that the time and actions fit. The first line of the poem, there's a time to run and a time to walk. Now children, when you are having a running race, what will be right, walking or running? Yes, running. If you are going to run fast, then only you will be the winner of the race. And the time to walk, when you are on the road. Is it right that you should run on the road? No, you have to walk. So there is always a time for everything. There's a time for silence, a time for talk. Children, when you visit to the library or when you go to the hospital, what is needed there? Complete silence. Yes. So there it is perfect time that you should maintain silence. A time for talk. Now when is the time for talk? When you are sitting with your friends, when somebody is asking you some question. That time you should talk, you should reply. There's a time for work and a time for play. Now children, at this age, what is your work? Your work is to study. So there is always a time that you should study, you should work, and a time for play. When you have completed your work, your study, then afterwards when you get the free time, that is the time for you to play with your friends. So children, there is always a particular time for playing as well as for studying. There's a time for sleep at the close of day. So children, what is the time for sleeping? Yes, the night time. Suppose children, if you are sleeping during the classes time, what is going to happen? Yes, you will get less marks in the studies, in the exam. So the night time is there for you all to sleep. So you should sleep early and get up early in the morning. There's a time for everything you do. Children, if you study at the right time, whatever notes are given to you or whatever study is given to you, during that particular day, you should complete it. So what is going to happen? If you do daily studies, you will get good marks. But if you don't study, suppose today some homework is given and if you don't do it, what is going to happen? Tomorrow again the teacher is going to give you homework. So you have to do the homework of today as well as of yesterday. That means 2 days homework. So it is going to be a burden on you. So children, there is always a right time for doing everything. For children and for grown-ups too. So children, the importance of time is not only for children but for grown-ups too. For example, if your mother, she is not cooking at the proper time, what is going to happen? You will be feeling hungry, and if you don't eat your food at proper time, what is going to happen? You will not be healthy. So children, not only your mother but all the grown-ups, they also have to do the particular work at the particular time. So you must understand the importance of time. A time to stand up and a time to sit. Now children, during the assembly time, what is expected from you? That you should stand. During the national anthem, during the pledge or prayer, you should stand straight. And in the class, when it is the study time, what you should do? You should sit and do your studies. But see that the time and actions fit. This means children, that suppose if your friends are playing and you take your book there for study, is it the right time for you to study when all are playing? No, not at all. When all your friends are playing, that time you should also play with them. And suppose if your friends are studying, then you should also study with them. Okay children, one more example. Suppose at night at 2 o'clock, if you eat the food, is it the right time? No, not at all. It is not the right time because it is not going to be digested. So it is not going to make your health proper. You will not become healthy. So whenever it is the right time, you should do the right work. I hope student the poem is understood. Thank you.